everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Michelle, and on my channel I post new videos about luxury planning and travel. So if those are some things that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel down below. So today I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing to share with all of you, and usually I'll splurge my money on handbags and jewelry, and then I won't splurge my money on clothes and shoes. But here I am with a pair of sneakers that I'm about to unbox for all of you. They are super cute. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of these. So let me go and unbox this and show you what I got. Ta-da! So these ones are the Louis Vuitton timeout sneakers, and on the Louis Vuitton website they describe them as white, debossed cap leather, elevated treaded rubber sole, which I love so much. Have a Louis Vuitton signature right over here, some gold detailing, monogram flowers here on the outsole, and also they are made in Italy. And something that I also really liked, it has a touch of monogram right over here on the back of the shoe, and it's such a cute little detail. And honestly, I think I will get so much wear out of these shoes because they are just so simple, and the luxe is very subtle, and this will go with a lot of pieces in my closet right now. So it's funny because I always told myself that I would not buy a pair of designer shoes, but I mean, these shoes were just too cute to pass up. If I did buy a pair of shoes, I thought they would be a pair of the boots, like the Louis Vuitton Wonderland Flat Ranger boots, but I just don't think that I would wear them as often as I would these, so I'm so glad that I went with a pair of sneakers instead. So I also want to mention that I did get these in size 37, and I actually went to my local Louis Vuitton beforehand to make sure that I was getting the right size. I tried some in similar styles, and the 36.5 could fit with a thinner sock, but the 37 was just the perfect fit for me. So I would say that these shoes are true to size. So I did want to share a little story of how I was able to get the shoes right over here. And so back in July, I remember seeing these shoes in stock on the Louis Vuitton website and thinking to myself, wow, those are really cute, but the price is just so expensive for a pair of sneakers. I'm not sure if I want to purchase a pair of sneakers that are $1,000. So after a couple of weeks, I just kept thinking about it and realized, wow, I still really do want those pair of shoes. So I just remember stalking the Louis Vuitton website and thinking, oh, if it's meant to be, then it's meant to be. If I see them in stock, I'll make the purchase. But I just never found them in stock on the Louis Vuitton website. So even though I did not find these shoes available on the Louis Vuitton website, I did find them available at a Louis Vuitton store in the United States. So what I did was I called that Louis Vuitton store to see if they had the shoes available in my size, and they did. So what happened after that was I did a phone order with a CA, and what she did was send me an invoice to my email, and from there I made the payment and she was able to ship them to my house. So I just wanted to kind of let you know that that is an option for you. So if you do see something that is in stock at a store, I would recommend to go ahead and call that store and see if you can do a phone order with them. And yeah, so that's another way that you can purchase Louis Vuitton. So something that I also wanted to mention was that when I was talking to the CA, she mentioned to me that the shoes were also a return of a client that she had, so that's why they were in stock at the Louis Vuitton store. And I was just thinking to myself, like, oh no, what if the shoes are dirty, or what if they look really used and things like that. I just remember thinking to myself that if they are not good enough for me, I'm gonna go ahead and return them back to the store. But luckily, they look really good. So I wanted to add some footage of me actually wearing the shoes. So here is what they look like on my feet. And yes, I am on a blanket on my bed because this is the only time when shoes are allowed on the bed. Am I right, or am I right? Here is what they also look like with me standing up, and I love the elevated sole and the way the shoes look. I'm wearing them with some no-show socks right now and with some skinny jeans. So these shoes are definitely going to get creased, especially right over here, and it's inevitable unless you walk like a duck, but that's okay. I can't wait to wear these out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!